Hey guys, welcome to Orit's Kitchen, and I'm Orit. Today is time for a new episode. I'm really excited about what I'm going to be showing you guys today. If you guys have been following me on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel, I posted the kebab skewers that I've been practicing on, and honestly it was a success that day, and I really wanted to show you guys how to make it. Okay, so but before we do, I don't know if you've seen before, I pointed this out. Okay, and this is called the Google Nest Hub. Okay, this is my family, guys, my little kids and all that. They're a little older now, but we went to Cabo a little over about a year ago. Anyway, so what I want to show you guys is this. Okay, Google, play Orit's Kitchen on YouTube.
Sure, playing Orit's Kitchen on YouTube.
Bam, guys. So no more excuses. Let me pause this. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay. Back to me. No more excuses, guys. Get something like this, or even your iPad. You could put it in your kitchen, watch me at the same time as if I'm right there with you. Okay? So this is awesome. All right, and you can listen to music, do all of that stuff too. So if you're interested in getting one of these, it's the Google Nest Hub. Okay, great Christmas gift too, FYI, or Hanukkah. Okay, so let's get back to it. So come on over here. Remember, guys, I'm not a professional cook, so some things that I may say may be a little bit confusing, but again, I'm right there with you. Any questions, just message me, okay? So now I got two different versions of my chicken skewer kebab that I posted a while back. This is the barbecue. I love barbecue sauce, okay? So this is with barbecue sauce, and this is with saffron. Now, I made this last night, okay? I had it get it all marinated. Now, I also did it the day of, in the morning. You put it in the fridge, it's ready to go at nighttime. And it doesn't take long to marinate, get it prepped up, and then put it in the oven under broil for about 10-15 minutes, and voila, dinner is ready, okay? So let's start with the barbecue one, okay? So this is the barbecue. What I did was I got, I just went to the market, to the, the deli, and the meat department, and I asked them that I want chicken thighs for kebab, chicken thigh skewers, okay? Not marinated, just the chicken alone, okay? And then I got my barbecue sauce. Now, if there's a different type of barbecue sauce that you'd like to use, by all means, go ahead and get whatever you like, okay? Then the next thing I added was just onions. I just chopped up some onions and I put that in there, and I just let that do its thing. Oh, and a little bit oil as well. That's it. Chicken, very easy to do. Okay, next. Now we talk about the saffron. Okay, so again, I got the chicken thigh just like I did for the barbecue. And I added saffron. And with the saffron, let me show you how that looks. Remember, with my other recipes, I've also used saffron even in my rice. So it becomes, they're bigger chunks, so I just kind of shredded them and made them into smaller pieces, okay? And it's good to mix it with warm water so it really gets the nice mixture and diffuses the smell. And I added it with my chicken, okay? Then I also added lemon juice, a couple of drops of that, a couple of drops of saffron, onion powder, turmeric powder, paprika, okay? And yeah, that's about it. And I just mixed it all up and I put that in the fridge, okay? And so now what I did also was, these are my skewers, okay? They're everywhere. These skewers are everywhere, okay? What you need to do is to put these skewers in water. At least put them, if you want to make this for dinner, put them in the morning, or you can even do everything at night, so you don't have to worry about it in the morning time if you're in a rush to go to work or drop off your kids, let's say, okay? So I just take this out. The reason you put it in water is because when you put it in the oven, you don't want the wood part to burn, okay? So you put it in water to prevent that, okay? So it's nice and wet, all right? And then I got this thing right here, okay? So I got this Okay, it's a nice little tray track. Honestly, guys, I got this at the Dollar Tree, okay, and it works fabulous, okay? So if you have one, whatever, use that, that's fine. And then within here, I'm just gonna put some water, a little bit water in here. That way, when it's in the oven, and you know, the whole evaporation thing, it still keeps everything nice and moist and nothing burning up, okay? So I put this. Now, there's many ways that you can make your skewers, okay? You want to make it all nice and pretty, that's fine. If you want to just put the chicken in, that's fine too, okay? But here today, I have bell peppers and what are those, grape tomatoes, okay? And I have the onions in here too, okay? Now, what I also did one time was put pineapple chunks in it too. And that's, I love pineapple, but my husband wasn't a fan of it, so I'm not doing it this time, okay? So I'm just using what I have here. And if there's something else that you want to put in there, like maybe, you know, maybe mushrooms or something, you can do that too, okay? But so I'm gonna start with the barbecue chicken, okay? So you just get the piece of it here. All right, make sure that it's nicely in there, right? You start with the sharp end of it, okay? Not the dull end. Put it in here. And then let's just say I want to put the bell pepper, a layer of that, a layer of the onion. Now you guys are like, what? You get the onion from the chicken? Yeah, man, don't worry. It's going to be in the oven. All the germs are going to go away, okay? So you're going to put this together. Let's take another chunk. See, it's big, right? So I'm going to fold it and put it like that. And then I'm going to get another piece of the onion. Like that. Okay, and I'm going to get another pepper. Like that. You see, you guys, that's it, layer after layer, and now it looks like a kebab stick, right? Put this together. Okay, another onion. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Oh, it broke, see? There we go. Okay, so I have another one. Don't worry, guys, back up. So again, you guys have backups, okay? So I'm gonna go prepare the other one. I'll be right back. Okay, hi guys. Okay, so there you go. So, you know, it happens, it breaks, it's all good, but here you go, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that there, all right? So now I'm gonna go and wash my hands and we're gonna do the saffron one. And you guys, also with the saffron, I forgot to add that I also put a little bit oil in there too, okay? All right. All right, so now let's do this. Now, if you guys have extra more barbecue sauce in hand, while it's in the oven, you can just smother some of it as you go while it's cooking, okay? Now, next one. So this one's my saffron. Now, let me tell you, when I made this, my youngest loved it. She kept eating off of my plate, and I just knew that that would be a huge success, okay? Especially, so, you know, for all the moms and dads out there, this can be very kid friendly, okay? And they can just eat off of a stick too, maybe. So I'm gonna make it cute as well. I'm gonna be adding some cherry tomatoes to it, you know, and you guys can, once it's ready, you can put some Persian rice, which I have that on my YouTube channel. You can learn how to put that, okay, make that in a rice cooker or over stovetop. And then or you could put it with a side of salad, or try out one of my other types of rices that I have on my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm gonna lower this a little bit so I have more room for that last piece of chicken. Okay, so see, with the saffron, the chicken became a yellow orangish color. Okay, so there we go. And I'm gonna wipe down here, because remember, saffron can stain your countertops or your clothes and stuff. So if that ever does, if it gets anywhere, make sure you wipe it as quickly as possible. Okay, So that's it, guys. Again, you can put pineapples in the barbecue one if you want, or you can change this one up and add onions in it too, whatever floats your boat, okay? But it looks really cute, right? This is nice and presentable, and it's really easy. You can make it if you're having a couple of your friends over. All right, so we're gonna, oh my bad, we're gonna place it on broil, on high. Usually that's what I would do, okay? There we go. And you're going to make sure that it's in the correct level here, okay? One time I had it up here and it started kind of getting burned out here. So then I just lowered it, okay? So for now, I'm going to start it here, and then I'm gonna check on it, and then I'm gonna put it up here if I see that it needs to get a little bit more cooked out, okay? Excuse me, guys. So I'll be back. Bye. Hi guys, so welcome back. So it's been in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you see, you got a little brown on blackish on top, which is fine. I mean, you know, it's okay as long as it's not like totally burned. And so, you know, you just have to play with it in your oven and see, you know, what works best for you and how your oven works, which level it needs to be on. Also in the broil, you can change it from high to low. But for me, when I put it on low, it doesn't seem like it's cooking. So I just left it on high and I just kept an eye on it, okay? And you can just change it up which level you want it to be on, okay? So again, you guys remember, this is the barbecue one, and then this one's the one with the saffron, okay? So let's go ahead, take it out, and you see all the juices and stuff fell in there, which is exactly what we want. And again, when this is in the oven, you can go ahead and you know, get some of the marinade and just rub it down while it's in the oven, while it's in there, okay? So look, you guys, it's nice and cooked inside, okay? And because I got chicken thigh, it will be moist. It's not going to be dry like you would get chicken breast, for example, okay? All right, so here we go. Very good. So the hat is moist, and it has a tick of the flavor of the barbecue sauce, which is what you want. You don't want it too barbecue because some people might not like that, okay? Gabby, do you like barbecue sauce?
No.
Okay, so she's not going to try this one. I'm going to have another bite. Very good. And the bell pepper, right, it's cooked, as you can see. Fabulous. And then there's the onions and everything ready to go. Again, you can match it with some rice, salad, vegetables, some more vegetables, whatever you want, okay? So that's that one. Now, the saffron. This one, my little one loved it, okay? She ate it all. Literally, she almost ate it all. And she loves the little cherry tomatoes too. So here's the saffron, guys, okay? Take a little bite. Look inside. Nice and cooked. And it has that little tincture of the flavor of the saffron in it. And it's great, okay? And the tomato seeds nice and well cooked. In a broiler, guys, 10 minutes, not a big deal. Perfect. So see, if you get this all marinated earlier, put it in the oven, 10-15 minutes, your dinner is ready, okay? Kid friendly. You can do it for your friends and family when you have it over. It's really easy to make. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. I'm Orit. You're watching Orit's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my stuff, look at my niece's Gabby Shirazi's channel. She has cool stuff all the time. And again, guys, no excuses. You can see me through this, okay? And I'm right there with you in the kitchen. Okay, guys? Bye.